show you how to get the camera to follow an object as it moves around. So let's do a very simple animation where I move this box over here along the y-axis. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the box. I'm going to add a keyframe to save the location. And then at frame, let's say 20, I'm going to move it over here. So again, I'm moving by pressing G on my keyboard. And let's say I want this to be the second keyframe. So if I play this animation, let's just constrain this to the first 40 frames. If I play this animation, it's just going to move over there. And let's just add another one here. So I'm going to press G, or I'm going to go ahead to the last, let's do 33rd frame. I'm going to press G, I'm going to move it. Let's say I want to move it here. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to add a keyframe by pressing I and then hitting location. So now I have a box that goes from here to here and there and to here, and it's going to return. Okay. So now let's actually get the camera to follow this box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to this guy. I'm going to click the camera. And on the bottom right, there's a constraints part of it. And you can click track 2. And then you can select either use the eyedropper, right, and select the camera, or you can actually just select the camera. And let's actually go to the camera view right now. So the camera is looking at the box, and let's play the animation. So it's not following it yet, but let's, let's go back here. Let's add the target. Oh, sorry, the target is the cube. Yeah, there we go. So now it's gonna follow the cube as it moves around. So we can actually add another frame here. So let's do like 80, and let's actually go back to the cube. Let's actually move this cube super far. So like let's see. So G. So let me just play the animation real quick. Okay, it goes there. Let's actually move this along the z-axis. So press G plus Z. I'm just gonna move it like way up there. Okay, and I'm gonna add a keyframe. So press I, location, and here we go. So the camera should follow it even if it goes way up there. And so let's go to the camera view and let's see. Okay, I'm gonna press play. Look at that. Cool. That's it.